सुप्रभात, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हमारा चेस आर्बिटर कैंप जो 4 हफ्ते से कैंप चल रहा है, आज का आखिरी सेशन है। और पिछले 3 हफ्ते में काफी इंटरेस्टिंग सेशंस रहे हैं और काफी इंटरेस्टिंग डिग्निटरीज भी आए, काफी मार्गदर्शन हमको अच्छा मिला है। और आज का जो आखिरी सेशन है, आई वुड से इट इज रीस्टार्ट सेशन। तो आज से आर्बिटर्स 180 आर्बिटर हम लोग भारत को दे पाएंगे एज महाराष्ट्र चेस एसोसिएशन, वन ऑफ द contributions to the chess fraternity in India. And rightly so, आज हमारे जो गेस्ट आए हैं विनय बेले जी, तो जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, चेस प्लेयर भी है, तो हिसाब किताब बराबर से वो हमें भी चेस का बताएंगे। और जो हमने ये आर्बिटर का कैंप किया है और आर्बिटर कम्युनिटी को एक प्रोमिनेंस देने की कोशिश की है, आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी फंडामेंटल कंट्रीब्यूशन टू चेस। एंड मैं अभिजीत भाई, हमारे स्वप्निल है, विवेक है, म्हात्रे जी, चौगुले जी, मंगेश और सारे आर्बिटर पार्टिसिपेंट्स का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा, बिकॉज उसके बगैर ये इतना बड़ा काम हो नहीं पाता था। इच्छा तो बहुत होती है चीजें करने की, बट कर पाना और करना एक अलग बात होती है। और आज सौभाग्य की बात है कि हमारे साथ में ऑल ओवर इंडिया से लोग उपस्थित है, डिग्निटरीज ऑल द वे फ्रॉम ओडिशा to south of India, and also Ajmera ji aaye hai. So I think Odisha has been in news in the last couple of days. Odisha was the only state which did not ask for any relief from the government, the cyclone. And even the United Nations has congratulated Odisha on the way they have dealt with the cyclone. Ranjan ji, a warm welcome to Maharashtra from Orissa, and उनसे भी हम सुनना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह से ओडिशा as a state they've been very vibrant, and how they can also help us make the Maharashtra Chess Association more vibrant, just like what Orissa is doing. Shastri ji is also with us from the southern part of India, and we are very, very eager to hear your experiences and the guidance you can give to our participants here today. All of these participants, I'm very happy and proud to say that all of them have been extremely, extremely positive and very eager to learn from the feedback we get from our coaches. They are getting more energy from the participants, which is a proof that people are not taking arbitership as a very casual thing. All the participants deserve a big round of applause and also congratulations for their active participation. And अजमेरा जी भी हमारे साथ में है, AICF को भी represent करते हैं। तो आपसे हम AICF जो अभी एक नए रूप में उभरा है जनवरी से, और जो डायनामिज्म AICF से मिल रहा है, हमें भी उसकी ऊर्जा मिलती है, उसी डायनामिज्म को लेके हम भी चलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो थोड़ा मार्गदर्शन हमें दीजिएगा अजमेरा जी। तो हम आज का सेशन शुरू करते हैं। बेले जी, इफ यू कैन टेक द लीड फ्रॉम 180, और वहां से आप हमें अकाउंट समझाइए ऑन महाराष्ट्र चेस एसोसिएशन एंड हाउ वी मूव फॉरवर्ड।
Thank you, sir. Basically, I am not a guest of honor. Basically, I am the family member of MCA. First of all, I would like to thank you, our president, Siddharth Ji Mayur, our senior vice president, Abhijit Ji Punte, Grandmaster, and our mentor and guide, Ashok Bhau Jain, under which guidance we always work for betterment of and, we as MC always do something better. Always. We are also support, and as per the guidelines of AICF, we are doing last year also pandemic. we conducted one Grand Prix tournament. That was also one of the innovative program that we have conducted as a MCA. That, that also we have got participation. All of us, we have got participation from internationally for the full conducted successfully. Now this year, under the guidance of Siddharji and Grandmaster Abhijit and our young participants and our young team member Rajit Sogulle and Vilasji Matre, we have initiated this activity. This idea has been cropped up by Bharatji and Vilasji, and Siddharji and Abhijitji given the right shape to this idea. We have got very good participation of 180 people. All of us are know that we are getting a lot of turbulence in our regular life because of this COVID-19. Everybody is facing a lot of problems. So many people are losing their jobs. So many people are facing in monetary terms. If, as if we can support our chess fraternity and our chess players as well as the members, for that we have to we have already gone on the online chess tournaments. Arbiters are basically the bridge between the players and the organizers. So conducting this research course as well as regular arbiters, we have given 180 new people, new arbiters to our chess fraternity. Definitely, it will give a good participation for chess players, growth of chess, as well as good monetary returns to the arbiters. I once again congratulate Siddharji for this innovative program. And this whole idea, I am very much thankful to Bharatji and Vilasji. On behalf of Maharashtra Chess Association, I welcome our Vice President of AICF, Ajay Ajmera, President of Orissa Chess Association, Ranjanji, Arvindji Shastri for Karnataka Chess Association, and we are very eager to hear your experience and your guidance for us as Maharashtra Chess Association. Least but not the last, our main arbiters who are conducting this course, Swapnil, Mangesh, Praveen, all these people are working very hard. And I would like to mention that MCA has taken very hard efforts for this. They have prepared syllabus for this course. This syllabus is basically circulated among the all participants. For new arbiters, we have given this course in 16 hours time, and for refreshers, it is for 12 hours time. Further, we have all our participants. They would like to know that we are conducting all these courses in local language of Marathi, so that they can be very well aware about the all complexities and all rules and regulations of the chess. That will be very helpful. Very best luck for their future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vinayji. And yesterday we have committed to Raizada ji that we will take this number from 180 to 999.
Yeah.
On the arbiters. So there is a lot of work that we have to do. I think we've just what we have done as MCA is raise the bar and raise the expectations. So now we have to stand to that expectation and I think work 10 times harder than what we have been already doing. And I think with Abhijit around with us, we definitely will achieve that. We have the president of Orissa State Association, Ranjan Bhai, and I will not take much time, but just request Ranjan Bhai. He already has a chessboard hanging on back of his computer. So Ranjan Bhai, please tell us about your experiences with chess and what our arbiter community and also all of us at MCA can learn from your experience or what you have seen with AICF and also with the Orissa Chess Association.
Thank you, sir. Respected President Maharashtra Chess Association Mayur sir, Vice President Bele sir, coordinators for this tournament Vilas sir, Bharat sir, our pride of India and visionary Kunte sir, and our honored guest Ajayji, Arvindji, esteemed arbiters present here. I am in fact extremely happy and honored to be present in this arbiter refresher camp. Actually, sir, Maharashtra, in fact, a leader, be it contributing to COVID fund or be it organizing this type of arbiter refresher camp. I think Maharashtra is a leader. You have a visionary in the form of Abhijit Kunte sir, because I was personally in while World Junior was taking place in Pune, and from close quarters, I have seen to what extent he is dedicated. Sir, Orissa is a small state, but in spite of all that, we have conducted 12 Grandmaster tournament, and third Indo-China Chess Summit, World Junior, National City, National Team, and so many rating tournaments. And we have a nice permission in the form of our Chief Minister, Mr. Naveen Patnaik ji, who is also a lover of sports. And in fact, in Mumbai, he was honored by Sportstar as the best Chief Minister in concern as far as the contribution to sports is concerned. And he was awarded, given to him by Vishwanathan Anand. And another important thing, our sports minister is also a IITian, and in fact, Odisha became our sponsor. We have got a sponsor, KIIT. His founder is Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Achu Samant sir. And now he has introduced chessing school. As I am a member of a chessing school, Bharat Singh sir, president and all had come. And KIIT has introduced as a subject in the school curriculum. And shortly we have also given request to Bharat Singh sir and Kapoor sir and to all AICF team members to open one chess academy in Odisha. And sir, I personally, I have felt it over the years that although Abhijit Kunte sir speaks little, but he is a visionary, because many players and guardians in Odisha were asking me if Vishwanathan Anand sir can come to Odisha. And I told them one person who can bring him. Simply they were telling that because our children will get motivation from him. I told that one person who can bring him is Abhijit Kunte sir. So why I told that? Because Maharashtra is so much a capable person, and although Mayur sir never speaks anything, we have heard, because chess community is a small community, and we know that sir can achieve so many things. And in fact, the role of arbiters now has improved, especially after the advent of this online chess, because yesterday and day before yesterday, we had a meeting in Odisha, and sir, it is strange that all of our arbiters told that is the tunnel platform, none of them have conducted matches. They are competent and they're learning over the year, and AICP is also organizing seminars. Dharmendra sir, Gopa sir, and Bansal sir, they are all helping them. And so we are conducting online age group selection tournaments in this tunnel platform. But I want to tell that although players take all the credit, but it is the role of arbiters that is of paramount importance. And especially after the advent of hybrid chess championship, online chess championship, their role, because if success goes, then success goes to the players. But if something goes wrong, arbiters are blamed. So not only gathering knowledge is important, knowing about the latest technology, knowing about the latest rules and regulation, knowing about the latest platform, because people or players were in fact, throughout our country or world, are very familiar in playing Lee chess. But now, in Lee chess, they are playing in mobile, but here they can only play in a laptop or a desktop. So it is also, and net connectivity should be there. So all things taken into consideration. I have to our esteemed arbiters, they are all experienced, they are all capable in our country. We have found some nicest arbiters, competent arbiters, but I can say that they can be role model to all of us. They can, for the successful completion of any tournament, whether we are organizers or whether players, but it is the role of arbiter that is of important. So once again, thanking you all, and I express my heartfelt thanks and deep gratitude to Maharashtra Chess Association for inviting me to this August gathering. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Ranjan Bhai. And I think you brought out a very important point that the blame is always on the arbiter. So, this is something that is part of character building, because as an arbiter, whenever you get the blame, you have to keep your cool and still keep on performing the task that you have performed. So it's important lesson for all these participants who are present here today. I'm sure they will be listening very, very attentively and take these life lessons. Thank you so
Sir,
much, Ranjan Bhai.
I will just tell one thing about Ranjanji. Many people will not know, but he is also a FIDE instructor.
Oh,
He is
really?
also a good chess player, and he has also completed all the norms for FIDE arbiter title.
Okay.
So his title will
Yes, sir.
come in the next General Assembly.
Sir, just for sheer happiness, sir. Thank you, sir. And to watch the games from close quarter. That is for that. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shastri sir is secretary from Karnataka Chess Association, and today really, Avir, we have complete national integration. We have northeast, we have south, Maharashtra, of course, and also north, and Bangalore, of course, has been doing good work on chess. So Shastri sir, please guide our participants today, and also tell us about the initiatives you're doing, especially with the state selection coming in, where with the online platform, I think the arbiters have a greater role to play than anybody else, even greater than the organizers or the players. So what are you doing in Karnataka to ensure that this state selection becomes a roaring success? So we would like to hear from you, Shastri sir.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Siddharth sir and Abhijit, for calling me here. So, as I know, I'm in the field of chess for the last 30 years. I know the what arbitr's job will be, because even as a player, I've been officiated to nationals as an assistant arbiter. That was the olden days. The situation is so bad. We didn't have an arbiters. Whenever we visit, we assisted them as an assistant arbiters in nationals. That was the situation. Now, when you say your numbers of 180 in one camp, it is magnanimous. We can't even imagine how Maharashtra chess obviously has become a role model for the whole country. Maybe it in organizing, maybe chess league, or maybe in the arbiter, this, or maybe in the tournaments. It was very nice to see this 180 participants are participate in this camp. So what in Karnataka we are doing, we are starting from the tournament from third, and we know all the difficulties of the arbiters because of the new platform. Even no one is perfect in this. We are having some refresher schools as you are planning here. From tomorrow, we are having some 2 days course for the arbiters, but we can't just challenge you, Maharashtra Chess Association. We have only 40 arbiters. When you hear this, it is definitely a motivation for us to look forward according to the number of arbiters where we have to rise. This is definitely coming here inspired me to bring more arbiters to the country. As everyone knows, arbiter is a very difficult job. You should be very patient. Being in 2 nationals, I know especially in the age group, how difficult it is to handle the small kid. So whoever is doing the arbiter with skill, we have to appreciate their effort. No one will blame. See, one small mistake, everyone will tell the tournament the arbiter is bad. But after working in the field, you will be knowing how difficult it is. So as Ranjan sir told, no one will blame the organizer. If the tournament should be successful, it is only because of the arbiter. Once the tournament starts, everyone will concentrate only on the arbiters, not about the organizer. They will not be knowing who is the organizer also. So in Karnataka, we are definitely will take this. After this seeing this platform, definitely we also think to bring more arbiters to the panel. And see, in Karnataka, what we did is maybe 2-3 years back, we had a very biggest tournament in the history of India. Maybe with a 300 rupees entry fees, we did a state selection with a 10 lakhs prize fund. So during that was the maybe 1,000 players participate in the state championship. Maybe that may be the history in India. I don't know. So what we look forward is definitely we are lagging behind in organizing Grandmaster tournament. Definitely we'll take help of you people how to move forward after this pandemic, so that we can work together and bring more Grandmaster to the country. Like definitely we consider Maharashtra as a role model for other states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, West Bengal, and like Orissa also. We take these states for our future, what we can plan better for chess, do better for chess. What arbiters were doing in the state, every tournament, we are planning to have some 10 arbiters at least for this tournament. Each tournament, I don't know how it works. Maybe with the help of Mr. Vasant, one of the arbiters is there for us, is highly qualified, and we are taking training from him. And I know this Bharat and Swapnil from long time. Bharat maybe in 1998 from Kolhapur rating tournament, if I am not wrong. And what Maharashtra brings me, I played all my nationals in Maharashtra only. And if Abhijit agrees, one of the best national year was conducted in Tulip Star in 2003. So I was one part of it. So Maharashtra definitely brings more sweet memories for me. And definitely we look forward to have a better skilled arbiters from Maharashtra in future. Thank you very much for calling me here to address this August gathering. Thank you one and all. Thank you Siddharth Mahiju sir and Kunte. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Arvind sir. And post-pandemic, I'm sure we will invite you for creating some more sweeter memories with Maharashtra and the Maharashtra Chess Association. But it's very heartening for me. I'm not a chess player, but a chess lover, and really believe in this game. So for me, it's very heartening to see what work our team can do here, and what good amount of participation that we can bring to the table, and also provide inspiration and motivation to all colleagues all across the country. So thank you, Arvind sir, and we're really looking forward to at least getting chess started, which I think with the online platform, the state selection will be a success. And our target again is to reach that magic number of 1,000 in the state selection this year. On online, I think it should be possible, but maybe even more. So let us hope for the best. So Ajay Bhai is representing AICF, and from AICF, of course, like I said before, we are drawing a lot of inspiration and a lot of motivation. This is the first time I've been involved with chess, I think, for the last 7 years now. But this is the first time that we are feeling that we should work with AICF, and we are part of one team. So that feeling is very overwhelming, and I think I should thank Sanjay Bhai, Bharat Bhai, Ajay Bhai, and the entire team at AICF. So Ajay Bhai, please tell us about what AICF is thinking on the state selections, and also what our arbiters are expected in terms of this online medium.
Thank you, Siddharth ji. सबसे पहले महाराष्ट्र चेस एसोसिएशन का मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। जिस परिस्थितियों में महाराष्ट्र चेस एसोसिएशन इस टाइम पे काम कर रही है, वो एक सराहनीय और उत्कृष्ट कार्य है। अभिजीत जी जो पर्दे के पीछे रह करके हमेशा काम करते रहे हैं, उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई। वो खुद आगे न आकर के लोगों को आगे करते रहे हैं, शुरू से उनका यही सिस्टम रहा है। जैसा कि अभी पेंडेमिक में अभी बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज होती हुई नजर आ रही है। अभी जो ऑनलाइन के ऊपर पैटर्न डेवलप हो रहा है, उसके लिए महाराष्ट्र और AICF, पूरी AICF सारी स्टेट्स के साथ मिलकर के जो वर्क कर रही है, वो वास्तव में बहुत अच्छा और सराहनीय वर्क है। आर्बिटर्स रिफ्रेशर कैंप के लिए जिस हिसाब से जो नंबर्स महाराष्ट्र ने दिखाए हैं, जो कि अभी सिद्धार्थ जी के हिसाब से बहुत कम है, और पर भारतवर्ष के हिसाब से बहुत ज्यादा है। इसलिए आप निराश ना हो, आप अभी भी आगे हैं और आगे भी आगे रहेंगे। क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड खुद के ही तोड़े जाते हैं। अगर आप पहली बार में पीक पे पहुंच जाएंगे, तोड़ेंगे क्या? धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज करते चलिए और आप डेफिनेटली आगे जाएंगे। जिस हिसाब से आर्बिटर्स का जो कहना है शतरंज भी एक शतरंज प्रेमी हूँ, चेस लवर हूँ। मैं शतरंज चेस प्लेयर नहीं हूँ। 20 साल से चेस से जुड़ा। 3 स्टेजेस हम मानते हैं। पहली है ऑर्गेनाइजर, सेकंड स्टेज मानते हैं लोग बाग प्लेयर, और जिसको सबसे अवॉइड किया गया था अभी तक आर्बिटर, जो बिल्कुल आगे नाम में नहीं आते थे। मैं उसको बोलता हूं किसी भी मकान की नींव की ईंट। हर आदमी कंगूरा बनना चाहता है, हर आदमी बढ़िया पेंट बनना चाहता है, पर नींव की ईंट पे कोई ध्यान नहीं देता। आज उसकी अहमियत पता लग रही है कि मकान कितना ऊंचा जाएगा वो उस नींव की ईंट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। नींव की ईंट जितनी मजबूत होगी, चीज बिल्डिंग उतनी ही ऊपर जाएगी। तो महाराष्ट्र को और ऑल इंडिया चेस फेडरेशन को बहुत बहुत बधाई। मैं समय अधिक नहीं लूंगा, क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से नई डायनामिक टीम AICF की वर्क कर रही है और उनके साथ में सारी स्टेट्स के जो जुड़ाव और जिस तरह से फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर अभी इन दिनों में बना है, वो बहुत ही तारीफ के काबिल है। आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई और धन्यवाद मेरे को यहाँ बुलाने के लिए। थैंक यू
अजय भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और रिकॉर्ड तो तोड़ने के लिए ही बनाते हैं, और लक्ष्य इतना ऊंचा होना चाहिए बोलते हैं कि हम खुद डर जाए उससे। तो उस हिसाब से जो अभी हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, 180 आर्बिटर का कैंप किया। तो कल जो रायजदा जी से भी बात हो रही थी हमारी, तो एक 999 का नंबर उन्होंने बताया, तो दिमाग में बैठ गया है। तो आगे चल के अगले 2-3 साल में 999 नंबर तक पहुंचना है, और जरूर पहुंचेंगे। बिकॉज आपने जैसे कहा, नींव की ईंट अच्छी होनी चाहिए, सॉलिड होनी चाहिए,
बिल्कुल
क्वालिटेटिव भी होना चाहिए, क्वांटिटेटिव भी होना चाहिए, सो दैट अच्छा एक फाउंडेशन बना सके। तो हम लोग आई थिंक आज आखिरी दिन है, आखिरी कैंप का आखिरी दिन है, और अगले 2 दिन में ये सारे आर्बिटर्स फील्ड पे रहेंगे। लिटरली स्टेट सिलेक्शन होने जा रहा है। तो मैं स्वप्निल या विवेक से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, हमारे कोई एक पार्टिसिपेंट से हम सुनना चाहेंगे कि वो क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो ये आर्बिटर कैंप में क्यों आए, और उनको what was their motivation, what is their inspiration, and what are they expected to contribute. So Swapnil, if you can just select one participant, speak for 2 minutes, please.
मनीष जी,
Anybody? Manish?
मनीष जी,
हाँ मनीष। मनीष मारुलकर।
मनीष मारुलकर जी
नाही आहे काय?
आया है,
जॉईन झालं?
मीटिंग मध्ये आहे. पूर्ती
डॉक्टर साहेबांना सांगा. डॉक्टर तांडेल
तांडेल सर, डॉक्टर सर तांडेल साहेब,
म्यूट वर आहे तुम्ही.
डॉक्टर साहेब तुम्ही म्यूट आहे, अनम्यूट करा.
मी मनीषला फोन करतो, थांबा.
हॅलो.
हा डॉक्टर
बोला
साहेब,
डॉक्टर साहेब.
हा डॉक्टर साहेब बोला.
बोला डॉक्टर साहेब.
हा बोला ना. मी टुर्नामेंट विषयी बोलायला आलोय. तर एखादा पार्टिसिपंट जो रिफ्रेशर कोर्स करायला आलाय त्याच्याकडून तुम्ही ऐकलं तर जास्त बरोबर.
मनीष आहे का बघूया. मनीष,
एक मिनिट.
राहुल आहे ना, राहुलला सांग.
राहुल.
हाँ सर.
हाँ.
एक्चुअली बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे यहाँ पे आने के बाद. एक्चुअली मैंने ऑलरेडी स्टेट ऑर्बिटर का कोर्स किया था 3 साल पहले, और अभी जो किया वो बहुत ही अच्छा है जो आपने पढ़ाया अभी स्वप्निल सर. और यहाँ पे मुझे आने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जो मैंने बहुत दिनों से मैंने स्टडी नहीं किया था. एक्चुअली बहुत 3 साल हुए थे मैंने स्टडी नहीं किया था कि क्या क्या रूल्स चेंज हुए, क्या क्या नहीं है. और यहाँ से आने के बाद मुझे वो जो सभी जो पॉइंट्स थे वो क्लियर हो गए कि क्या क्या एक्चुअली है, और स्टेट सिलेक्शन में एक्चुअली वो कैसे वर्क करते हैं अपन वहाँ पे, वो उसका बहुत ही अच्छे से आप में कर सकते हो वहाँ पे वर्क. और एक्चुअली
थैंक यू राहुल, थैंक यू. नहीं, हम लोग सिर्फ कोई पार्टिसिपेंट से सुनना चाहते थे कि हम लोग एक अच्छा उपक्रम कर रहे हैं, उसका एक्चुअल फायदा आपको को हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, आपकी क्या अपेक्षाएं थी, वेदर वी हैव बीन एबल टू डू जस्टिस टू इट. एंड फ्रॉम एज MCA मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि अगर MCA से कोई चीज कम रह गई हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, पार्टिसिपेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, तो हम उसका जरूर ख्याल करेंगे और अगली बार जो कैंप होगा वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स इफ वी हैव मिस्ड आउट ऑन एनीथिंग.
सिद्धार्थ सर, सिद्धार्थ सर, आणखी पार्टिसिपंट बोलतोय मॅडम.
हा बोलून अजून एकच करा.
पूर्ती.
हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. ये जो कैंप है उससे हम लोग को बहुत फायदा हुआ है. जो हम लोग का छोटा छोटा जो नॉलेज था वो बहुत बढ़ गया है. जैसे हम लोग प्लेयर बात करते हैं कि हम लोग को ये खेलना चाहिए, पर जो मेजर एकदम छोटा सा जो पॉइंट है ना, वो ये कैंप से हम लोग को बहुत इसका यूज हुआ है. मतलब हम लोग मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे. ऐसे हम लोग सोच रहे कि क्या क्या रेगुलेटरी है, क्या क्या मेन चीज है कि स्मॉल पॉइंट्स जो हम लोग ने स्वप्निल सर ने, पहले नितिन सर ने, ये सब बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बताया है. और थैंक यू टू ऑल कि हमें इतना चांस मिला कि ये सब स्टडी करने का और हमसे थोड़ी मिस्टेक कम होने का. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
थैंक यू पूर्ति, थैंक यू सो मच. तो आई थिंक मैं ऑल द डिग्निटरीज जो साथ में है रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप आज के कैंप को ऑफिशियली स्टार्ट करने की अनुमति करें और इसको इनॉग्रेट कीजिए सो दैट हमारे कोचेस टेक ओवर करके ये आज का सेशन पूरा करेंगे.
थैंक यू सिद्धार्थ जी. ऑल इंडिया चेस फेडरेशन और पूरे भारत की तरफ से आपको इस आर्बिटर्स रिफ्रेशर कैंप की शुरुआत करने के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई.
Happiest congratulations. And in fact, we are inspired by this great initiative by Maharashtra Chess Association. Once again, heartfelt thanks.
Very nice gesture from you all, and it is very nice that you are raising the bar. So all the best for all the arbiters. Thank you for calling us.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर. मैं मात्रे जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा एक वोट ऑफ थैंक्स करके हम लोग सेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं. मात्रे जी.
Okay, I am taking opportunity to vote of thanks on behalf of Maharashtra Chess Association. Lot of thanks to all dignitaries to given their valuable time for opening ceremony of arbiter camp number 6 batch. Your guidance and suggestion will help us in our future. Once again, thanks to Sri Vinay ji, Sri Ajmera ji, Sri Ranjan ji, Sri Arvind Shastri ji. Thanks to Mr. Abhijit Kunte and Siddhartha Mayur ji, who always supports and giving their innovative idea for development of the chess in Maharashtra. Thanks to our arbiter camp teachers, international master Vivek Soni, स्वप्निल बंसोड, भिडे आर्बिटर मंगेश गंभीरे, प्रवीण ठाकरे और भरत जी चौगुले, सुमुख गायकवाड़. And thanks to all participants of this camp. I request to all on Corona situation, stay home and stay home and take care of yourself and your family. Thank you. And I once again all to our EC member of Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
भरतला पण सिद्धार्थ, भरतला पण बोलायचं.
भरत जी.
हेलो.
हाँ बोला भरत जी.
हेलो. हाँ, एएसएफ के जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी अजय अजमेरा साहब, ओडिशा के प्रेसिडेंट रंजन मोहंतन जी, और हमारे नेबर कर्नाटक के चेस प्लेयर और कर्नाटक चेस एसोसिएशन के डायनामिक सेक्रेटरी अरविंद शास्त्री सर, विनय बेले सर, महाराष्ट्र चेस एसोसिएशन के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, ये सभी ने भी उपस्थित रहकर सबको मार्गदर्शन किया. मैं सभी का शुक्रगुजार हूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you Bharat ji.
Thank you.
All the best participants la. So
bye.
Okay sir. Bye sir. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay Ranjan ji.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Ajay bhai, thank you Ranjan ji.
बिल्कुल अभिजीत जी.
Thank you Arvind.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.
म्यूट है सर।
एक मिनट।